If you've ever wanted to keep certain apps private on your Android phone, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you best way to hide apps on Android without anyone knowing. To begin, open the Settings app. This is the main control center where you can manage all system features and customization options. Next, scroll down carefully and look for settings such as home screen, privacy, or sometimes apps and notifications depending on your device brand. Android phones like Samsung, Xiaomi, and Oppo may have slightly different layouts, so don't worry if the option is not exactly the same. Once you find it, open the section that includes Hide Apps, App Lock, or Secure Folder. Tap on it to view a full list of installed applications on your device. Now select the apps you want to hide. You can choose one app or multiple apps based on your preference. After selecting them, simply tap Done, Apply, or OK to confirm your action. Right after this, the selected apps will instantly disappear from your home screen and app drawer, keeping them private and out of sight. That's all for this guide. Hope this helped you keep your Android phone more private and secure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful Android tips and tricks.